long drive that is. To and fro. Where's the moon at? Oh, it's over here. I think? No? Okay then, I'll go to sleep. What an interesting night that was. Much better. Let me put on my suit. Oh yeah, this will definitely work. I gotta go check that. At least the door's shut. That would be really bad if someone figured out my stash. That'd be where I left it. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted to see. Okay then. I'll see you girls later, all 500,000 of you. Wait, is it both of them? Oh yes, both of them too. Now who do I throw first?
Oh my gosh, look how messy Araya is. She leaves water everywhere. I have to clean it every day. Every day and wipe up her mess.
Hey Grandma?
What?
I gotta tell you something.
Okay.
Alright, go out in the front yard.
Oh my gosh, what's that?
Well, what do you think of that?
Well, it looks nice. Better than my other car. Should I go look at it?
What do you want?
I think I'm gonna go open the door and look at it. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, yes, that looks nice. Oh my God, bird poop.
Do you like it?
Oh yeah, it looks all right. It needs a wash job.
Yeah, I know, but I'm glad they brought it here in the morning. So
Yeah,
you're welcome.
it's big enough.
I hope it is.
6 people.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get Mr. Wiz.
What's Mr. Wiz gonna do?
I'm just gonna bring Mr. Wiz out here to look at his new vehicle. Oh, Mr. P-Wiz! What? I need you to come outside and look at your new vehicle. All right, come on, let's go. So, what do you think of your new truck? Oh my God. You like it? You're not excited.
That's an F-150.
Do you even like it?
It's nice.
Well, you're welcome. Where the frick? Where did those come from? I'm gonna get Trina. Oh, Katrina! Katrina. Hey, Katrina. Bubby's calling. Poogo's over there. Sending it out of the cage. Hello? You're in trouble. Grandma's gonna make you do something. Katrina. Katrina! Katrina. Have you seen the new cars out the front?
No.
There's 2 of them.
What cars?
There's like a new blue truck and a white SUV. I think Doofus got them for Granny Wiz and Mr. Wiz.
And I didn't
I don't know if he got us stuff. I wanted to wake you up.
He paid for it?
I don't know how. You think Grandma and Mr. Wiz has that type of money?
Go ask if he paid for it.
Okay, I don't know where, but okay. Doofus, you out there? I need to ask you a question. What you want? Did you seriously give them those vehicles? Where did you get this money from? Well, hold on there. Remember when you saw me in that garden and those bag of gems I had? I sold them, and now I got bank. What? You actually sold them for how much? That is none of your business. So what you want? Well, Katrina wants to see you, so come on. Okay then, let's go. Hey, Katrina. What in the world are you doing?
What?
Doofus is wearing a tuxedo.
Why?
I don't know. He's right behind me.
Master got me working. Someone must set me free.
What'd you want, Katrina?
Why are you wearing a tuxedo?
Because I cashed in those gems and I got $500,000. You got what? Aw, shoot. I wasn't supposed to say that. Yes,
What?
I got Mr.
No.
Wiz and Granny Wiz new
Listen.
vehicles.
What gems?
Those rubium gems I found in the garden. I got rich. What? Ow! Ow! What? Stop! Why?
Those? I planted those.
What do you mean you planted those?
Did you find any big ones?
I found one big one. It's already cast in though. What is wrong? You don't need money!
Listen,
I'm listening!
I was growing those.
Uh-huh, I know how it works, Katrina. And why do you need money of all people? You have magic! You can teleport everything! You don't need money!
And
I
you
do.
are gay.
Maybe, but anyway. Oh, let me guess. You were gonna cast those in?
No. I make stuff out of them.
Oh, then what's the point of making stuff out of it so you could just sell them for lots of money?
Like you said yourself, I don't need money.
Yeah, you don't need money.
Yeah, so
You
I
have magic. You can proof
I
anything.
have proof that those were actually mine.
What's your proof then?
You see that perfume over there? That is made out of rubiums.
I mean, it's cool though, but still, I wanted to treat you guys. I got Granny Wiz, Mr. Wiz, and you two guys new vehicles. And I got myself a new suit. Because I want to ask out Rufus on a date.
Aren't you guys like twins?
I don't even know what we are.
I think y'all are related.
I hope not. I forget.
So you like her?
What?
Ew.
So what do you think? Well, yeah, of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? What the frick is that? What? Is that mine? Oh my god. Katrina! Where's mine at? Oh, hey, Grandma. So is that one mine? Yes, it's yours. I can write it? Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Oh my god. Thank you, Doofus! Just go ahead and write it. Okay. This is fun and all, but I have an idea. Oh yeah. Oh! Ow. Ow. Hey, what the frick? What the frick? What are you doing?
I'm washing my car.